In this episode we are visiting an old Roman temple and cooking in a MasterChef competition. My name is Radu and this series is all about delicious gluten-free food.
It's the third day of the short culinary experience, and today we're just gonna visit the last point of land on the Amalfi Coast, and after that we have a MasterChef competition.
We're going to get here. This is Punta Campanella. The name Termini in Italiano means ending. So it's the ending of the Sorrento Peninsula. It looks like the typical one of the Greek and the Roman period, you know, like the amphitheatrum. It's not. It is normally in use in summer times when we have beautiful exhibition, or even for the school, as from asphalt to stones. Then they are telling you something about the place where you're walking. It's because you are entering an historical center. Punta Campanella, this place that we are going to reach, was a place where in the Roman period they were moving, so like from all the Roman cities, from Pompeii, from Ercolanum, from Sirentum too, to get here, because there was a Roman temple. Let God follow you while you're walking on this road, because we live it in this place. There was a rock slide till the moment in which a mysterious sound took us away.
Better than I expected. You are there? What's up, boy?
Those are better. Liquid inside. There were only 3, so we have to get. How many minutes should this be?
10 minutes. Yeah.
Sì, quindi è una sorta di brioche siciliana.
Siamo vicini.
E ci avete messo del lievito dentro?
Sì.
Okay, then we need one more. We have 3 jewelry.
Saying that we can make them all and decide.
Which one is it?
Ah, looks good.
Smells
Wow! The pierogi. That's something you can line us up.
Oh, yours is also.
3 of them. In the minute when you will have it, bring it here. As fast as 3 minutes. 3 minutes, guys. You have 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Guys, you have 3 minutes.
It's perfect.
Tanto grazie per l'entusiasmo che avete messo nella prova, perché siete stati agguerritissimi.
A cake is from chocolate and eggs, everything. We made it with love. Yeah, we love you. We will see that. Okay, now it's Buon appetito. What's the matter? Oh sì, oh creativity peperoncino gluten free. Okay.
Triple, però.
Anna.
Who is going to present this plate?
Yes, please. I come from Israel, and in Israel, and you know, the olive symbolizes peace.
Like this?
With tomato and your great mozzarella.
And you have smile. Yay!
Have some mozzarella.
There is mozzarella.
More mozzarella.
Today we are presenting a
Sunday
classic
make
Romanian
it.
dish.
And
It's
a
called
little
papanaș
bit
or cheese donut.
But you can
Filled with fresh ricotta, eggs and flour, and topped with sour cream, and you'll find the cheese surprise inside. And they got a lot of orange flavors inside because we are team orange. So please enjoy. You have something under the bowl as well.
Yeah.
Taste. È una preparazione che richiedeva molto più tempo di realizzazione.
So for sure this dish would have taken much longer to rise in the preparation.
Quindi probabilmente hanno utilizzato del lievito istantaneo, no? Giusto?
We don't want to make any excuses, but our fryer just went off.
Yeah, so now we know also because inside some part are not heated, but we know there are too much people who fried and
Well, it was good and also the
this is
combination of the
our
different
okay. No? Seconda ricordaci
See, look, how it was presented.
But
For the further knife.
Dai! Okay.
This is tiramisù limone.
That we're in the land of the lemon and the limoncello, and we soak this
The biscuits.
biscuit in a cream of lemon and limoncello with raspberries.
Now the second one, go in my left hand like this. If I squeeze, the two balls change place. Let's try again. So put your hand like this. One red ball and one red ball in my left hand. This one, hold it. And like this.
Always.
It's very, but I need to that's like setting me up. That's really happening.
Nuovamente Rossella, Luigi, che sono i tavoli, diciamo, i proprietari
invece vostro ricordo
Our flight to Bucharest got delayed with 6 hours, so we decided to visit Naples one more time.
Thank you for watching this episode, and thank you Shar for inviting us, and I'll see you next time with a new amazing gluten-free experience. Until next time.